There you go. Poida Bogan here. Most handsome bogan, all into everythingies. Coming to you from, where are we? Oh, here we are. Sydney, Australia. Yeah, the Opera House and the bridge in the background there. We're here for a crypto conference. Got my favourite shirt on, and should be a good day. Should be a cracking weekend. We've got some really good news coming out, and maybe some giveaways. So stay tuned to the end and enjoy. All right, scan the code here. Scan the code for next year's tickets, starting at $39. Bargain. It's the entrance. Let's get in here and we'll go check out. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a whole heap of merch. Finally made it here to the crypto conference in Sydney. Let's have a walk around. There's plenty to choose from. Lots of information. Let's go have a look around, eh?
Yeah. Do you want to play one more? Yeah. Do you want to play one more? Do you want to continue?
Air hockey, hey? Do all these activities, get some stamps, win some merch. Oh, here we go, cowboy. Yeehaw, ride them up. Oh, that was pathetic, mate. Really? Right, and cowgirl. Actually, I think they're only supposed to use it with one hand, not two. She might be cheating a little bit here. Gonski.
Highlight of what we've done. We started off as an arbitrage trading desk. Essentially what that meant is we were facing 30 different exchanges looking to buy and sell Bitcoin, buying it on the lower exchange and selling it on a higher one. And that was working really well. But
yeah, so you can use these QR codes for trading courses, DeFi trading course, and trading academy, courtesy of the mining company, mining store. Wow. And actually you can win a miner. T21 190 terabyte Bitcoin miner. Gaming's going to be big too. It's going to be huge. Playable games. Interesting.
By signing up the details.
MES5.
So it's a mezzanine finance investment company. We just launched our first fund called MES5 Fund 1, and it's property construction loans. Basically the middle of the capital stack for a developer. After the bank has their loan, you take a loan that's higher interest, higher risk, and you basically are able to participate in more upside than what the first mortgage gets with less risk than equity. So you've still got a mortgage over the property, it's a second mortgage.
Download their app. But what I did do actually, and it could be a good idea, is download One in Chat for their wallet. I don't know, it looked alright. CoinSpot's giving away free coffees. Might get a hot chocolate. Why not? Gritio. They haven't heard of this one. There's a few places here that I haven't heard of. We've got Chain up over there. They're still setting up. We are a little bit early. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they've got probably 3 or 4 of these theatres around the place with different guest speakers. I'm going to go listen to William Wright from the mining store. He's going to talk about mining, altcoins, diversification and DeFi. Sounds interesting. Pretty good setup for whatever this is, a Theta 1, maybe Theta 2. But we'll see how much we can record.
Wow, how exciting it is. Me and Phil were just talking about last year's energy compared to this year. Bitcoin's price nearly hitting 100k compared to, I think it was 20k or so last year. It's a little bit of a different conference, but before I get started, I actually just want to thank the Australian Crypto Convention for everything that they've done. Where you're seeing imperial wealth form. A lot of our clients, they really started having a substantial amount of Bitcoin, and of course they wanted to really get into altcoins. There's a lot going on out there. There's so many different coins, so many different projects. It's hard to keep a track of what's a good project, what's a bad one. And so we pretty much built what we call the Trading Academy. Quite easily earn between 20 to 150% yield on coins that you're already holding, whether it be on a centralized exchange or in a MetaMask wallet, whatever it might be. And you do that through yield farming. When you start getting involved in different networks out there, you've got some coins on the Ethereum network, coins on the Solana network, the Phantom network, you start opening yourself to airdrops as well. We've earned around $200,000 from airdrops alone, and I'm going to talk to you about how that ties into our holistic strategy and what we do with those airdrops when we receive them. We've been through getting exposure to altcoins, making sure that you are taking advantage of that risk to reward, understanding the Bitcoin halving cycles and understanding Bitcoin dominance chart. Our Trading Academy again is the best place for you if you need help with setting up an altcoin portfolio. We've been through a bit of DeFi and yield farming, so using those altcoins that you have to actually put into yield farming opportunities and earning 20 to 150% interest on your positions and opening yourself to airdrops. Then what you can start doing is, say you are farming on, Equalizer is a decentralized exchange on the Phantom network. Blake Cooper's here this weekend. If you want to go and speak to him, he's a great guy. Definitely have a chat to him. But say you are farming on Equalizer and then you earn an airdrop of $1,000. What you could do is you could go, alright, well maybe I could sell off this airdrop and go and buy some miners, or I could sell this airdrop and go and recompound it into one of my yield farming plays that I'm already in. On top of that, the yields that you're earning from yield farming, you can use those yields to pay off the electricity bills on your miners. This is a very common strategy that our top clients will do, and I'll be getting some of them on the stage today to have a quick chat about that.
People that know me, one of my favourites is CoinJar. Should log on to CoinJar.
You want to scan your tag? You get a tag.
I'm going to get a chocky and a Coke. Oh wow. My new car. You like it? McLaren. And here's the other car over here, the Lambo. It's Lambo time, people. We're getting to 100k, mate. It's Lambo time. And I might even go a McLaren. Why not? Tight squeeze into my car. Carbon fibre, everything. Pretty spunky. Coin store. Monochrome. There's a whole heap of bloody places around here. Well, let's have a look, eh? Bit of virtual reality here. Oh, watch out. He doesn't know where he's going. She's just walking around. VR. It's actually the NFT VR gallery. Now Ledger's got a new wallet and some fingerprint activated. Check this out, but I really like this one.
I just think
Pepe the Holder.
especially interest rates have been.
Hey, you got the money machine. It's got the money machine. Go, grab it, pick. Open your pockets. Grab some more. That's it. Hold it. Oh, look, he's useless, this guy. Grab it. Fuck, he's doing no good. This guy's just standing there. He'd be grabbing it. tax on chain, specialist crypto accountants, and self-managed funds, self-managed superannuation funds. There's a lot of giveaways. Look at this one, $10,000. Bitcoin.com.au. Might log on. Oh, smack it, girl. Give it a whack. Well, that was a bit piss weak, but good go. SwiftX. The industry go-to solution for fiat crypto payment. Wow, I might even need that. Independent reserve crypto trading solutions for companies. Wow. I might have to get some more information on that one too.
The reality is there are these threats that are going on. So if customers do unfortunately fall into a safety net, we're here to work with you. We're here to help you understand why you may be a part of that safety net, because the reality is there's lags in the scale that actually we
Monochrome Ethereum's ETF. There you go.
What is work?
Gold Fusion wallet.
Credit and debit card is like normal cards in your wallet.
But it's still all online, man. You still need a ledger, I reckon. Not financial advice. Coins, XYZ. Imagine you buy and sell all different sorts of coins here. Chain up, the powerhouse of blockchain infrastructure. Oh, they're everywhere.
To hopefully at some stage later on today celebrating, Bitcoin at 100K, and I would say that's been an incredible exercise of patience. And a big kind of clap hands to everyone in the room who's held. Like, we all remember November 2022 when it's not just under 15,000. So I think that's just shown like the patience. But
BitcoinTaf.com, training and education. Day by day IO. Oh wow, look, that's a big prize. Scan here, mate, and win. Black sheep. Bags blocking your crypto trades. It's happened to me a few times. Get onto these guys, mate, and they'll do it. They'll help you out. 2XL, thanks. Zero cap. Thank you. Did really well. This one's what Casper does differently. A few people waiting for this. I think Sergey Bogan would be interested in this one, but I'm actually going off to another one. Man, maybe I'll try and catch this one next week. Sorry, I'll try and catch this one tomorrow, because I wanted to go and have another look at another one.
Who's flirted with the cryptocurrency industry, Belay, is a libertarian. Like proper libertarian, like Ron Paul or Ludwig von Mises or Murray Rothbard. And actually he delivered an hour-long speech on economics, and it was like attending a PhD economist lecture. The guy is a true historian and a true academic, which means he believes in private money and competing currencies. So what he wants to do is get the government out of the business altogether of the money, and actually have private industry create the money. In fact, that's what's happened in Argentina. GDP is about $700 billion, and over $100 billion worth of stable coins have entered their economy. They're trading and using these, and that will probably double and triple in the next 24 to 36 months.
Really well,
which means
I'll see my top three memes in a second. And the next gen layer ones, essentially ETH killers, right? Solana, Sui, Verachain, these other platforms have really been performing extremely well. If you got $1 million in Bitcoin by the end of this cycle, you're set for life. At a minimum, you're going to be making $450,000 if based on historical performance every year. So my belief is that the goal of this cycle is to really build up your Bitcoin stack, and we can do that through altcoins. But long term, I believe Bitcoin is going well into the hundreds of thousands. We're going to another bear market and we're going to have massive corrections on the way up. It's not just north only. If it's your first cycle, be prepared to wake up and your stomach, sick when you see a 30% correction. That's normal. In the last bull market, we had 12, 10% plus corrections. All right, sometimes down to 30 or 40%. That's super normal. Don't like investing into things that think old or expensive. But if you can find these narratives and find them at the right time, you can really make life-changing money. We're going to celebrate it. It'll be fun. Maybe tomorrow. I think Bitcoin's going to continue running, and honestly, Bitcoin is the key to freedom, right? Below that, memes, as I mentioned, next-gen layer ones, and we're really looking on the sector rotation. The ETH-BTC pair is really important. ETH-BTC pair is just essentially the the value between each other. Now, if you look at 2021, the altcoin season really ran right. When the ETH-BTC broke out, when people started taking profits from Bitcoin into Ethereum, that chart went vertical, and that's when you see altcoins do 50, 70, 100% of the day. When that chasing coins and narratives, this is the big one, it's happening right now. Ben, should I sell ETH for Sol? Should I sell this for that? As soon as you start chasing coins, you get chopped down and lose. For those people that have been here for a long time.
They were good times there. So anyway, Bogan out from Sydney, Australia.